Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set notifications in the Brainly app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then we go into settings, and here we have notifications. We tap on notifications, and here we can set and customize what kind of things we want to be notified about. So if we have some new messages, we can turn them off, or if we are not interested about our rank in the app, we can turn that off, or we can just turn everything off so we don't get any notifications from the app. Also, we have to set whether the app can send us notifications in the settings app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.